Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. AmaZulu 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. Great game, especially in the second half. Game here, Vulega. Obviously, how AmaZulu planned for Sundowns is the same way as they did in the first round, right? Is to sit deep and catch them on the sides. They did that. They had an opportunity to score, but they didn't take it. Just like the first round. Same thing, Sundowns, they try to minimize the AmaZulu. So I'm going to be showing you the plan AmaZulu, what they did right and what they did wrong. Then Sundowns on the other side, you had also, I think they played 3 formations, right, in that game. Let's start. The first minute of the game, how Sundowns was shaping up, right? Their new formation nowadays, where you have Umurena there as a winger, Umutiba here. So Maufuna, you can say it's a 3-2-4-1, right? You have these two tens. Umetu sometimes he plays as a striker, or Sundowns will play a 2 strikers. But in the first half, they played with 2 tens. Number 6-2. This is how they shaped up. The AmaZulu, on the other hand, they played a 5-3-2, right? Normally they play a 3-4-3, but yesterday they played a 5-3-2. So you'll always have a space la. In this instant, space is similar. So if you are Sundowns, you need to get the ball into Ama spaces very fast. But the Sundowns, they couldn't do that. And one of the things is Matthews. You have to be a midfielder that's quick in terms of recognizing Gucci, where is the space? It was going to be very, very difficult for Sundowns to break down AmaZulu, because what they did was Gucci Babe compact, right? So in the 3 midfielder AmaZulu, as Sundowns, you have to find space in these sides, the AmaZulu, the midfield. Remember, there's 3 ways to break down a team, right? It's either you're gonna go through the middle, or you're gonna go around the defenders or over the defenders. So Sundowns, they needed to find a way. If they can't go in the middle, we all know Gutbathanuguza Parak Nendao, right? But if you can't, you have to find a different way. Let me show you what they tried to do. Watch Umuren sleeping on duty. Unlucky, the first touch azange ize phambili eyahlala emove. Here is another one, but this time the ball will be played by Matthews. The unfortunate thing about Sundowns in the first half is Gucci. They didn't try to do this cool, right? And especially Umurena, he got injured, and then Batata, who is this? Matthews Bamisaga, right? But Matthews, he didn't make those runs. That's why they couldn't penetrate AmaZulu. You have to try different things to penetrate the team. You can't just keep on playing a style C1. Sorry to disturb you guys. Remember last year I said I'll be doing a player analysis, right? That's only for memberships, people who are members, right? If you are a member, you can request which player do you want me to do a player analysis. Please join, guys. It's only 15 rand, or the first level is 15 rand. The startup package is 15 rand. Yes, I know bafethu ukuthi times are tough, we live in a bad economy, right? But it's 15 rand. Please join, please become a member. Extra content, right? Extra content for members only. I'll be posting exclusive content for our members only. Now, please continue watching. I'm going to show you how solid Yamazulu they were in the middle, right? But the problem is when you don't keep the ball, Mizo Qatar, that's what eventually happened second half for Amazulu. And then even in this game, there were moments, Sundowns did have moments, because even during the first half, you will find players who are lazy or who will react late, right? Late in the game. So here, just going to show you Amazulu, how solid they were. But the Sundowns had moments or chances to break down this line, Amazulu. If he was a good passer, you see the space here. But the problem is, azanga nyathele ibola lime straight. Wenzeni, he moved it this side, right? You see where is the ball? Ibola lila. Imagine if ibola belila, then you could have passed here. So you, whenever you are playing a team that's compact in the middle, you must always look for those spaces, because sometimes bayalahla. Now that space is gone. That space is gone. Now we start from scratch. But Amazulu, they are solid here. There is no space to exploit for Sundowns. You need a smart player to recognize Guti when a space or a space is created. Now look at this space. Look at this space. But because of Umethusi, he's a different type of player, you know. So that's why it was good for Amazulu first half. Now, the gameplay Amazulu was to always go around the defense Sundowns. Sometimes they did it the right way, sometimes they did it, or most of the time, Bayern's wrong. I'll show you the wrong way and I'll show you the perfect way how to do it. This is the wrong way to do it. You can't have the ball, pass the ball SID, and then you want to play that side. No. This is the wrong way to do it. As on mark, if you do it like this, you won't go anywhere. This is the wrong way to do it again, right? Offside. Let me show you, Guti, here, what they were supposed to do. Don't just play it long, right? You have to play passes, short passes first. Play the ball there. Play the ball here, then you play it in the middle. If the ball comes here, the guy on the side needs to make the run there. Then the ball goes wide again. Not ukuthi ibhola lisuke la bese liya phambili. Here's another example. Even la, they rush to play a through pass. The ball goes wide. It has to come in the middle. Then it has to go wide. If the ball goes wide, then he gives a cross. But he wants to play a true pass. Had he played the ball there, look at this guy. Play it back. If you play it wide, then he can make a cross. It's simple. Let me show you the perfect way. They do it here. The ball was on the side. They bring it in the middle. It goes wide. Then cross. This is how you're supposed to do it. You don't just play the ball wide in J. The chance that Amazulu got in the first half, they did that perfectly. Now, Nai should have scored there. Just because Ipola layers are good doesn't mean that you have to shoot. Just pass the ball here. Just pass the ball there. But let's see how this move started. You have to score there as a striker. You have to score. Remember what I said. The ball must come in the middle and then it goes wide. When it goes wide, then you cross it. This is what they did here. But now the defending is Sundowns. The center back can't go there because it's by 1 against 1. But maybe Santos should have been here. Adams. Presile. But look where Adams is. He's supposed to be behind this midfielder. I don't know why because press Alapaya. Zonal marking supposed to be here. They played wide Amazulu. You can't. Bafetha ngazi mina. Ibhola liyeza ulishaya straight ku goalkeeper. Ibhala elikhulu wena ufuna ukulishaya straight ku goalkeeper. Kuzoyenzakalani? Goalkeeper akanambobo la. This guy should have scored here. You score, the game changes. Pass somunye umntwana. Ay. Second half, guys. Second half, Sundowns. Remember, okay, first half, right? Remember, Umurena we walimali. Then they Bafagu Santos. They took Matthews to the right wing, right? But second half, they made adjustment. They went back to their 4-2-3-1. I'll show you. Then, change futhi. I think 15 minutes, they changed again. They played a different formation where they played with 2 10s. But going to how Sundowns performed, right? Eventually, they were going to get a lot of chances because when you are defending and you don't have the ball, it's catch a seat, you are going to get tired. And when you are tired, your reaction speed is very slow. Now let's start. Sundowns. This is the 4-4-2-3-1. Yes, this is a defender. Remember, in the first half, they had one winger. The right winger was staying here, but now they changed. Santos playing as a 10. These two, I'ma have 10. This is Utsiki. He actually played well. Keep the ball. Space sizovuleka. If you keep the ball, space sizovuleka. Here they get lucky. Here is Sundowns. Maybe this was a foul. Shot on target. When you play with a double pivot, which was Umukwena and Adams, it is very important ukuthi boy two basondele, right? Basondele babe close to each other. Because you look at in this picture, now Umukwena la. But because he's here, it's not easy for us to pass Ipola, Lizela. But watch what happens. He's gonna move into the hole. When he moves, now look at this space here. It says Pumile. This was actually a half chance. But what I always say, as a striker, move to the first pole. Sundowns had a lot of moments or half chances. Amazulu had one. I'm going to show you that one right now. But if you're going to play on a counter or transition, you have to make the right decision. This guy didn't make the right decision. It was poor. This was poor. Yo bafethu, pass the ball. Ufuna ukudribble ibhola uyenzani? Awu wamara mfanakithi. This was a nice pass. Why ungaphasa? Why ungaphasa omunye umntwana? Why? Look at the space here. Ugoalkeeper ukude. Phasa ngwanomunye. Hayi bana. Like I said, Sundowns had half chances, right? And the only way that they were going to score was through Ipola or midfielder, or Ipola coming into the middle. Because remember, they have 3 center backs and they couldn't get the ball around the defenders. They couldn't get Ipola lap. Now, I'm just going to show you one example where they should have scored. Even first half, Umukwena had a chance, but ball block. Nice pass there. Because they have 3 center backs, it is very difficult for Umuntu one. Not it's difficult for a striker C1 against 2 center backs. Imagine having 3. Communication. The only way Sundowns was going to score was the ball coming into the middle, bashaye where ama defender ameso abheke iball. Other than that, ngeke bakore. This is another half chance Sundowns, but here I'm just going to show you how they were setting up. Remember, they made changes, right? They had Ureinas, bafaka no Mtiba, bafaka no Allende, right? So now the system has changed. Adams was playing alone as a 6. I think he was playing as a 10. Umukwena, right? And then these two, they were playing as half 10s. I love coaches who are always thinking, adapting to the game situation. Amazulu, they were tired. Like I said, game reaction, it becomes very slow. Yes, boom. But la, you should have scored la. Yes, what's up, mfanakithi. Final clip bese ngiyayivala. Here comes the goal. It's 2 against 1. Why? Why? Mara, why? Watch this guy as well, ball watching. He has all the time to look up and make a pass. This guy is ball watching. But what makes this goal is this run. I'm gonna take it back. Pagat, inside. Let me take it back. Ngidlale fast. Watch the run that's made by Umutiba. He pulls away these defenders. Then space is siyavuleka la. Watch. Now there is space for Mukwena. The first touch was bad. Alanda! Let me show you on a different angle. The run that's made by Umtiba makes this goal. And remember, there's a midfielder who was ball watching. Watch, you see this run? Let me take it back. Watch this run. It opens up this space. It opens up space here. First touch yaka Mokoena was bad. Midfielder was ball watching. Allende, because he's always running, gets into the position and scores. Because you are defending the whole game and you don't keep the ball, nizokhathala. Eventually, a good team will find a goal. But thank you for watching, Bafethu. Thank you for the support again. Don't forget, Bafethu, please join, please become a member. Become a member for more content, Bafethu. Yeah? For more content. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.